This is Sam Seid coming from the U.S. Fertilizer desk here at Freight Investor Services, and I just wanted to give a quick rundown of the week's trade in the NOLA fertilizer markets. Starting off with urea, we didn't see much change in value in the Q3 markets, trading at about 438 or so. The Q4 values as well are pretty stagnant, right around that 438 level. The big news in urea this week was the RCF tender issued, or I guess announced on Tuesday. Not a lot of reaction, a lot of traders unwilling to take new positions ahead of the Southwest Fertilizer Conference coming up this week. So quiet here in NOLA, quiet international markets. On UAN, we saw the Q3 and Q4 values down about $10 to around the 295 level or so. Big story this week was CF finally came out with their fill program, showing value at about the 285 level for NOLA equivalents anyway. The market was offer heavy on the follow. But we're seeing a lot of mixed reaction as far as what this means for retail values. Some players telling us that there was a good amount of participation. Other players saying that number is too high. Not a lot of retail buying, so we'll have to see how that shakes out in the coming weeks. On the DAP then, we saw the Q3 values a little bit softer, maybe down $5 or so to about 610. Q4 values pretty stagnant, 593, 595, somewhere in there. Only notable factor this week in the DAP was the really volatile loaded barge trading. We saw deals as high as 630 on Monday, Tuesday. Saw values as low, or deals as low, I should say, as 600 in the second half of the week. So we'll have to see where and what that means for the phosphate values in the coming weeks. That's all I've got for the NOLA fertilizer markets this week. If you have any questions on fertilizer derivatives, or if you'd like to get a last-minute meeting scheduled at Southwest, shoot us an email at fertz@freightinvestor.com, or if you have any other questions, feel free to visit our company's homepage at freightinvestorservices.com. Thanks, and have a good rest of your week.